ICAMS stands for the Interdisciplinary Center for Advanced Manufacturing Systems. We decided to develop a demonstration facility for helping small and medium manufacturers understand the technologies, become aware of them, and why it's important for them to adopt these technologies to improve their competitiveness.
We can give a lot to small to medium manufacturers in the area, just in terms of understanding what is going on their shop floor, understanding how effective their systems are being used, and how they can improve their process in a more detailed fashion, rather than just going through the motions and trying a few different things. We can give them detailed, exact answers on what's happening in their system and how they can improve it.
The idea was to focus on small and medium manufacturers because they don't have the resources to adopt the technologies that are coming about today in the thing we call Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing. If we don't get them to adopt these technologies, pretty soon they're incompatible with their customers. The only choice then is to close your business. So we don't want that to happen. If we don't do this, the likelihood of us being able to make the systems that we need in the future is going to be very hard.
Coming out here and seeing like, okay, this is how a manufacturing system is set up. This is how many processes you have to go through. I think by far the most surprising part is that like setup takes way longer than you would expect, but the actual process from going from, okay, here's the idea to designing to making the model and then bringing out here to the floor, it's incredible.
We're trying to expose students to what manufacturing actually is, and that it's not the dark, dirty, and dangerous world that maybe their parents or grandparents lived in manufacturing. It's a different environment. It's clean, bright, and exciting.